Hey, what's up everybody? This is Tim, Sharper Image Auto Detailing and Ceramic Coatings. I just wanted to check in today. I hope you all had a very great weekend. We are back at it on this beautiful Monday. We have an overcast, and today I've got a super cool project for the next couple of days. But I was just wanting to show you what I've got going on today. I'm going to flip this camera around here just a little bit. I am doing a motor coach wash, and we are removing some oxidation from this motor coach. I've done my test panel, but I'm going to flip you around and show you what we can do for your motor coach if you're ever in this situation. So I'm gonna show you. Let me flip you around. All right, guys. So here's the motor coach, as you can see. That, and then we're gonna go down here to that. Oh my goodness, looking so much better. This is my test panel that I am doing right here. I stopped kind of right in here. Need to test it out. But here it is. So we go from shiny, glossy to chalky. So this is going to be our project for the next couple of days. Getting this knocked out, this motor coach. A great client. Guys, if you're in our area, you're traveling through Arkansas, and you're looking for someone to take care of your RV, your motor coach, give me a call, 501-277-9284. If you've got any questions for me about maybe some suggestion on what products to use, what may be best for these motor coaches, give me a call. I would love to answer and help you any way that I can, answer the questions to the best of my ability, what I have seen to work and the things that I've seen not to work, and what you're trying to do. So I love to do these motor coaches, RVs, travel trailers. We're going to be doing a whole lot more, posting a whole lot more videos. So I just wanted to check in today. I hope everyone is having a very blessed day. If you're looking for someone to detail your vehicle, you've got questions about ceramic coatings, you've got questions about paint correction, give me a call or check our website out. It's sharperimageauto.com. We'll love to serve you any way that I can to elevate your vehicle and your experience. I hope you guys have a very blessed day. Peace.